Hey everybody, how's it doing? This is Amma Jamma. I'm here today to give you the one, the only, the most important indicator you can use as a day trader. Even a beginner can use this. We're not talking EMAs, we're not talking MAs. We're going to talk about the Fibs. Everybody is scared of the Fibs retracement. I'm going to talk how you can use it on short time frames for day trading. I'm talking the top runners of the day. Let me show you here. So on your Weeble, I'm using Weeble to show this because a lot of people do have Weeble. This is what you do. Everybody thinks they missed that trade. I missed a trade. It ran this morning. Is it going to keep running? How can you tell? So this is what we're going to do. We've got the top gainers list up right here. And if you're not sure how to find that, you go to your little setting right here, markets. You've got your right here, your top gainers list. We're going to click on that. We're going to pick AGFY right now as our example. Here we go. Here's our chart for today. All right. We're on the minute chart. You could do this on the 5-minute as well. We are going to put a Fibs retracement, our move, our impulsive move. And as we could see at market open, we had this impulsive move. Now, a lot of traders want to pass on this at this point and say, oh, I missed the pop, this and that. But then you come back an hour later and you're kicking yourself because it went another 50% at a second time that day. How can you tell it's going to keep running? This is one of these sure-proof ways that you can use the Fibs and the golden Fibs, and you'll see why right here. So we're going to go up to our indicators. We're using the retracement. I'll do the extension in a future video. So we're pulling up our Fibs retracement right here. We're going to chart the impulse move. So our impulse move at market open is, say you were having a pullback here and you're looking at a chart, a half hour in a market open like this chart, and you're asking yourself, how do I know if this is going to dump off and keep continuing? Now, in future videos, we'll get into volume. We'll get into the second level, this and that. This is step one. You don't want to use it by itself, but it's a great compass to get started. So we're going to plot our impulse from the bottom to the top right here. Okay. And a couple little tricks and secrets for this. First of all, we're going to go to, I am taking away one of these proportions. I do not want my 0.236. I want to turn this into a 12.5. Okay. And I'll explain why in a minute. So we're getting rid of that 23 there. All right. So when you say, Amy, what's the golden Fibs? The golden Fibs. Golden Fibs is the single most important Fibs extension you can use, Fibs retracement. It's that 618 right here. And would you look at exactly where this bounced? So we've got our zones here. For me, this is how I play a day trade. The 12.5, this is the zone where it's the yellow zone. We're letting our chart, we'll let our trade breathe in this area. We don't have to necessarily abandon the trade and say it lost trend. We'll call this our yellow zone. Be cautious. I have a no-no zone. And what I mean by the no-no zone is no matter what, when I put a Fibs on a chart, like we did here, I am not going to take a position in a momentum trade, in a day trade that is sitting in this area. This is my red light. This is to stop, do not enter. I'm not playing with this. Okay, so we'll put that red. What does that leave us? It leaves us our golden zone, baby. This 0.5 to this 618 here. This is our golden zone. All right. So like I said, we are not playing. Oh, I've got to pull this one down a little. We are not touching trades from that. If we lose that 2.5 down to this 50 Fibs, which is $1.10 according to this chart, we want to see us in this zone at least, if not farther. We're going to make that our green. All right. So we've got that's where we want to take a trade. When we see something purely bounce, like you could see that we had right here, we bounced almost exactly to the Fibs. A lot of times, more times than not, that secondary move is going to be even better. All right. So as we can see right here, there's our bounce. Now, if you want to be extra cautious for something like that, wait till it breaks up over, wait for the confirmation. In this case, wait till it breaks up over your 0.50. Again, your 50% Fibs here, and then take that trade, baby. We're in $1.12. That's $1.50. That's a 40% trade for all you members, all you traders that believe that it's too late to get into a trade after that first push. It is not too late. Again, flip that to a 12.5. That's we let it breathe in that zone on a breakout. No, 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 no. Do not enter under that 12.5 all the way to that 50. This is our setup zone. That's the no zone. We want that golden fib. Throw this on your charts after the momentum break at the beginning of the day. You're going to be amazed how many times you see that's exactly where the stock bounces. This is the first step of being a successful day trader. And I will be back with more videos on day trading. See you guys later. Bye.